And these, you can run 10 scale wheels on these. I know Angel runs 10 scale foams. Fit perfectly.
Alright, so
lots of Primal goodies.
I'm gonna try to reuse what I can. I can go with this again.
Yeah, you can use the original one. Nothing happened to it.
Alright, so the wing mount and this too. This shit cracked.
Oh, it's the bottom one too?
Yeah, man, I think it fucking hit hard. The heck did this chassis not? Let me see this. Let's take a closer look at this chassis, bro. Yo, I'm loving my axis stand, kid. I really am.
Yeah, once you do this nice mod to it, beautiful.
You guys want to see my Primal Dragster?
Whole bottom side looks fine. No
cracks?
Nothing. Not even. A lot of people will find cracks on these screw holes, and there's nothing.
Nothing? Wow.
It's a unique sight. Imagine if that thing had one wheel on the front. Little trike. That thing looks weird, man. John's thinking about putting this and having a skateboard front end.
I'm really thinking about putting this on my daughter's skateboard, bro. Taking myself for a ride. Look at it.
John's gonna be doing 80 miles around town.
Like this. Yeah, we can do it.
Boom. Right on that stand.
Yeah. Alright. Shit. Alright, so I may remove this velocity stack.
Big meats, 4-inch wide.
Something I want to show you guys. I don't know if I showed it. I got a special tire before BRPs sold over. Alright, this is when Todd had BRPs.
You're about to go in this drawer. This is a very nice drawer.
This is a special tire that was a combination. It was made for me with the help of KDT Innovations. Once again, all right, with Arnold, Kiki's father. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you. I've never used it.
It's the secret drawer right here.
This is a no series. This is a special series.
These are one-off tires.
One-off.
Just for John.
And they're different weight and everything. All right, there's some stuff that Arnold could talk about. All right, even it's been shaved different, milled differently, and it's a different type of rubber. Now, I did not store it. I did not wrap it. I've had this over a year now, but this is a special tire. All right, this is different. Even the size is slightly off. But
the actual host foam is what we've been experimenting with, and the compound of rubber. Host foam is very different.
It feels so different. Yeah, this is like. All right, so this is something I kept quiet for a while. I might have brought it up here or there, but I don't. It's a one-off. I like it. Can't get this. I hope that the new owner can work with people like that. Work with Arnold. Work with people like that wants to, switch it up a bit. Keep improving. Keep changing things. Different compounds.
Have to crash. These O-rings, they get dried out.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna try to save them. I gotta put new ones now.
What John should do, put the KDT clamping hubs.
Yes, sir. We're gonna have to upgrade.
He's actually been trying to get a set.
I've been trying to get
a set. But we sold out.
It's not like I have been trying to get a set. For now, these are the extended ones too.
Yeah, soon we're gonna come out with extended clamp hubs. And what the clamp hubs do, they get rid of that whole pin system. Everyone has been breaking pins.
Get some life back into that O-ring. Probably not. I'm just gonna put one up for now.
It really makes that aluminum look good too.
Seneca fair. All right. Let's get back down to the operation. Continue. All right.
Let's get it.
Stripper. So, something I want to show you that I like better than the damn T-handle for power. Bartolone's new tool for the MIP tool.
And this fits
This is so nice.
right on the MIP.
It fits awesome. If you want to put it in the middle, go ahead. But I like here. I mean, look at this. You got some nice power, nice
It's
torque.
snug on there too.
Yeah, it's snug. It's not loose. Look at that. Beautiful.
Just gotta get a wrench on the other side. Oof, that's gonna be.
You can get them in there. Any questions? Happy to see you. Seneca Fez. Look at that power. Ready? Look at that torque. Done. Look at it. If you want,
Pop it right off.
or keep it on there and just spin it around. Ready?
Yep.
Ah, look at that. Nice.
That's why you need all different kinds of tools. The right tool for the right job.
Shit. Take this out then.
Yeah, this.
I'm not taking it. I'm gonna do whatever it takes to not take this pipe out. It's easy. It's only 2 springs. I
Yep.
can just. Oh, and these 2 here, but I just don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. So, if we don't have to. Where's this guy? Right here. Just in case you guys, I did this. I welded this. I had cracked this pipe in half during a test and tune. I had a couple of crashes, and I did this. Yeah, I welded the shit out of this. I put these 2 bars here. It's no joke.
You can hear how fucking.
I can take this out and use this as a
weapon. So this top plate. This is right where the brakes are.
You guys see the crack? Hey. Oh. See the crack now? Yeah. Boom and boom.
And then the plate that goes on top of that, right into 2 pieces.
Look at that, man. That shit's crazy. Making a little progress.
Cleaning up the old front end that he had on there.
Instead of using the new one, we're just gonna put the old one back. Piston stop tool. I never use these on my pistons.
Never.
I use it for punches. For punch.
Get yourself a good arbor press. Boom. That's it.
These are
Saves
probably
you
okay,
bearings.
but everything else, the spindles were bent. We're putting fresh ones.
Putting brand new ones.
Yeah. We're gonna reuse.
Gonna clean these up.
Let me clean them up. Yeah, I'm doing. Yeah, look at it. Another 3-in-1 gun. So I'm putting a little bit of grease on this spindle here. This is what goes through this here, through your bearings. Look who we got here, giving us a hand. Guns RC, kid, huh? Zah. Look at this. I needed some help. I ran out of parts. Believe it or not. And my man had this in stock in his stock. Part number. And I got this top plate that I needed. And then the other thing that I'm missing is the post. The steering post, which I don't have, and I can't find my old one. Which is this here. This guy here. I don't have a steering post. I can't find my old one. I don't know what I did with it. These Guns RC over here, he's loving this Bartolone handle for the MIP tool.
I need a few of those.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it feels nice.
Yes.
They're gonna come anodized. That's like that's just raw.
You got the prototype or something?
I'm gonna be getting another set because I want to have a set at home and a set to carry with me. There's two sizes. Yeah, so my man Guns RC never seen Max T. For real, right?
First time.
It don't even fit up there as wide.
Yo, try to pick that up.
It's got some weight. It's got
Not
some.
my shoulders right now.
Yeah, my left shoulder's screwed up too.
My physical therapist won't
Yo, spin the front wheel. You'll see how much weight it has. It's the momentum.
And that Bartolone Rovin reed case pushes that shit like nothing, bro.
Have you ever weighted?
Stock clutch and spring. Wait till I put a spring and nice clutch in that bitch. But there, so I want to take that engine out and put it in one of your cars. If you have a 5T or an X2 without an engine, we're gonna try out. We got the pipe for it to run that engine. And if you have a, I'd like to see for shits and giggles what it would do in a drag or primal.
I'm actually
It doesn't have RPMs like you know, his drag mod 34s, 32s, 30.5s, but we can give it a try. We can have a little fun. This is a pipe for the 5Ts. You know, might be a little oily. I don't know if you have. You know, put a little 3-in-1 on it. All right, man. So we're gonna have to call this quits. I'm gonna probably just put this rear plate, put the tower back on because that's all we can do. I was gonna change the brakes out, but I'm gonna keep the brakes the way it is, and that's it. Look at the spark plug, people. We took the spark plug out. So I had a good tune when it went through the barrier. Cam 2 Dominator, that was it. That was what I was using. But hauling ass right through the barrier. There you go, people. Alright? Alright, so let's go eat. Come on. Let's go eat. Let's take union break. Union break. I'm missing parts. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Water, no wine. Alright, people, so Kiki had to go to the firehouse. Sean's still here, and we're gonna treat ourselves with a little Zana Cafe. We got some MAVEM, kid. Some MAVEM, son. Alright, we're gonna have a little sip. We're over here with the Byrons over here talking. We're over here talking about fuels and all types of stuff. We got some unfortunate. Byrons is finishing up. They're closing the doors. What a shame. This was the most consistent, best fuel you could run. But we're working on some new stuff, okay? Don't worry. We got something good, really good coming, probably even better. So maybe it was meant to be, people. All right? But for now, what we got here, kid? Oh, Seneca Fair. Sean, you able to hold this here? Because we got a... Let's see if we got a good luck pop. Hold this guy here, ready? Let's see. The louder the pop, you remember that? The louder the pop, the better the luck. Hold it good, you got it? What? What, son? That was a... Zah.
smells there.
Oh, wow. You smell that, bro? You smell that? Zah. Man. Man, now it's getting harder and harder to find the MAVEM too, kid. Damn. Wow. Damn. Oh, power, man. This right here, we could probably mix it with our fuel. We could probably mix it with our fuel. Oh, Zeneca Fez.
Let me get this straight. First we wrenched.
First we wrenched, because first we got to work, right? Then we eat good, right?
Yes, we did.
And then we treat ourselves a little nightcap, kid. Any questions?
Oh. The thing we're missing right now is a cigar.
Yes. But I can't smoke. If I had a cigar, it's gonna make me crave a Newport cigarettes, and I can't.
No, we can't have
But yo, good times and good health, kid.
good times, good health, good friends in RC.
Friends in RC, Brap Hood, the Brap Hood, kid. Zah. Wow, look at you, smart. I haven't had this so long, dude. I'm probably gonna get buzzed like crazy right now. Look at this. Look at that. Look at my glass cry. My glass is crying, bro.
Yeah, I see that.
Look at that. Wow.
Some good stuff.
Nah, I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Yo, smooth, bro. Smooth. I can't even.
It's delicious.
Smooth, people. Uh-oh. I feel the heat going down my... I feel the heat. I got heat going down like right here right now. In my chest right now.
It's not even winter.
It's not even winter. Ah.